Komwabo ate kuma DJ ko musicha yagala nonsense sagala no program wa uploading music ona mugobi esimanyi wali wa busy simanyi mujje ko music wange mwena bulu simanyi bwani o simanyi gwe erikom eyo message njagale kutukeko jayo music wange yo ku page byo simanyi ebyani bijeko because I don't get any coin from this mother sagala tunde music wange bana basajja babere ni watu kuma wani watu wagalya kuwana emasakani nayo eriko mu hotelo video ku music wafe music wafe gamutunde yo nemubera ku nemujja mutumanyirira wana ate mwana shega tosowana kunkubira kasimu nti mwana kado che chiriwo bulwimba loteka na alufuna ana kuolu kusoteka nyimba zaffe mwana ezange zijezo nazo njaga kudamu kugwira dala. Yes man, I'm growing up in this music industry and I'm not gaining anything, I'm not gaining any coin. Banda bango omuntu omusirusiru simanyi bamba describing am life here twamanyi sende zentade musical musically expensive tutwambala na bulungi tutwambala na bitolekeze bintu byokulya bya kabine tugabala katukolere music y'abantu. Omuntu nadda muziko na mutunda nga mutundira bwerere omuntu nadda ku muziko na kumanyirira just nga mwa nende zimukubira bwerere zikuwa sente endala zikola bya award nga zikola bya award zisawa bayibye bakala bayitewo mwene babateka wansi oris bibero za ngo zangeze mputa zisosola kuimba sometimes I feel pain man. That's the diverting of our fans nebagama yakado yagwa bakulaze chupulisha artist of the year nakuwage naimba Mususu award
twabade ne kapeke yasinze guno
Mususu award mukambele. What are you telling me? Are you raising us? Are you raising the industry? Mujikola kusingira dala mujikuya mujikoza byenana mwagala byenana mubikozi music atwakuwe mula yaliko. But artists abakayimona mwabateka eri where the Maddox Somatimba, where the Michael Rose, where the General Zambas, where the Zizazion, where the Jamal, where the Vampos. You man, you're telling me idiotism now atongamba ba kapeke hospiti patapeta
ati abateme ensingo.
This is not idiotic. Mubere mwebyo era nange kati ati mubere mwebyo mugabe kado yavako musigale mwebyo litabajanga ko mutu musigale omusajja omukulu no kiraba kikulu ekikulu ekina ne family waka. No one do this my daughter anaga macho mwana we daughter don't do this if you're doing that to in front of your kid. And now you're telling me that your people are living life. Wow, they are showbizzing. They are not showbizzing, but they are hurting the next generation. They are not inspiration in our art. We're no longer artists. We're not creative artists. We are damn artists, no more creative artists.